Hello guys, me Ed. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make something. It's a float, and this is a bubble gum. I'm gonna start it with this box. So I have my scissors to cut the tape. Now I do like that. Okay, now let me cut from here and there and now everything. Okay, looks like I'm gonna cut from here too. And I'm gonna cut it. Now it's done. So I better move the tape out. Move the tape. And then now it's open. Let it open it. Look, it's amazing. This is my bubble gum machine. And this is for put the bubbles inside. And these are the bubbles. This. And then we're gonna set it. And these are the cells. These are the cells. Put them. And there's one more cell. Perfect. And this is the bubbles. Okay, I'm done. Let me put the box. And then let's take it. Now it's time to make the crochet cell. It's so hard. I put a cell already. A cell, there's one more inside and one more there. Now push. Now let me leave it here. Look at these guys. We got so many packages free. Now it's time to fold it and then we'll use it. Let me get it from here. Want to copy these? Okay. Next, this is the plate to pull the bubbles inside, and then I can open it. And fold it a little bit. Next, close the lid. Move it a little. Then look guys, there's so many bubbles. Look like the wind is blowing. Wow, there's one on the table. Let me go for another one. Okay, it's gonna blow. Wow, so many bubbles. And they're attached to each other like a bubble. It's so good. Let me try one more. Wow, look at the bubbles on the plate. Wow, so many bubbles. Let's go to the park and play with friends. So we're here at the park. We can play with friends with bubbles. There's so many bubbles. They are rainbow bubbles. I can see the rainbow. Everybody likes bubbles. One girl is popping the bubbles. There are so many bubbles attached to each other, and there are many of them. I have a lot of them. Okay, we're number tip. Okay, now I'm gonna play with my friends and then I can blow the bubbles. Can you see the bubbles? There's so many bubbles attached. Wow, they're going through right somewhere else. I love it. I love to make so many bubbles with this bubble gum. And it's so many bubbles. It is highly recommended to buy it. It's so easy to use. You guys gonna love it. I love it too. So guys, we're here up to the big slide and this slide is so wobbly. I'm gonna put the bubbles here. So let's go ahead. There are so many kids want to the bubbles, so I'm gonna make it up. Now I'm done to the slide. Now I can turn myself to there are bubbles everywhere. Do you like my bubble gum? Please tell me in the comments. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you. Bye bye.